how to make thumbnail in Canva. First, log into your Canva account and then you can start in two ways. First, click the template section and search YouTube thumbnail. YouTube thumbnail. And then click here and you will land to this page. And here you can start from a blank template or you can start from the pre-made template. So first I'll show you how to start from a pre-made template. So here you will see a lot of pre-made templates available for you and you need to find out what thumbnails suits to your objectives and goals. So let's say you want to start making thumbnail from this template. Just click here and it will pop up to you to customize this template. And here, once clicking here, you will find other related thumbnails. You can check this out as also. And now click here and here you go. So first you need to change your image. Let's say you want to change your image and you want to change this text. So it is pretty simple. First upload your own image here or you can go with file and click photo to get men's photo from the Canva library. And here you can select a person like this man and replace this picture. So let's say you choose this image and just cut it and you can just remove the background. So background is removed now and now just adjust it the same position. Remove the previous image and replace it and now adjust the position. So I think this is good to go. Now you can either keep this image or adjust it. Let's say I want to edit it more. You can use auto adjustment or you can just start from your manual editing. You can increase the contrast, you can increase the brightness, you can make other changes from here. Let's say I want to add clarity, sharpness. So you can adjust from here or you can use auto adjustment. If you want to make it black and white, you can also do it. Click here, click edit button, click adjustment, and now you just need to, so this is now black. So this way you can make the image black and white. So this is now black and white. And now let's say you want to change the text. Click on the text and now edit the text. Stop. Stop. Start now. Start now. Change the text as per your need. Speak loud. If you need to change the color of the font, you can also do it. Click here to change the color. If you need to make some adjustment, you can also add different types of elements from here. You can add something else if you want. So now your thumbnail is ready. You can just now click here, click the download button and just click the download to download your thumbnail. Just wait and see the final product. So the thumbnail has been downloaded. Click here to open it. So see, you have made a professional level thumbnail with no time. So this is very easy. If you want to make another thumbnail, click here to make another page. Now let's say we want to make a thumbnail from raw. Just first take anything like old city. Take an image from here and just I want to make a thumbnail from scratch. And now add a shape. I'm adding this shape and change the color as black. Now decrease the transparency. Let's say I want to keep this. Now add an image. So I want to add this image, change or remove the background. So background has been removed. Let's say I want to add shadow in my image. Click here, click edit and go to shadow and click outline and change the color of the outline. Let's say I want to make it yellow and I want to decrease the size. So this way you can add outline of your image. Let's say now I want to add title. Click here, click add, stop, and let's say I want to change the color as white and I want to add, I want to change the font. There are lots of fonts available in Canva library. You can check and use any of them. Stop. And now let's say copy it. Stop. Now. And now change the second color of the text as this. So make this as uppercase. I want to make this as uppercase. I want to make this as well uppercase. I want to make this as red and this as this color. Let's say I want to add a background in this text. So click here, effects, and click here to add background. I can control the roundness, I can control the spread, I can control the transparency. So I can make this as white. Now I want to make this as like this, or I can use other things like this, or I want to use the color as transparency level and change the direction. So let's say I want to keep this. If you want to now add some other elements, you can add this, like click here and alert or red alert, red alert or red sign or something else. Let's say I want to add this as well. And now signal. I want to add this element as well to make it or further any types of adjustment. So once everything is done, you can now just click here to download your thumbnail. Click here and just now download your thumbnail. So this is from the scratch. Sometimes if you can't find any option to customize or make your thumbnail size properly, then you can also first create the canvas from clicking here. Just click create button and now just click custom size and now click YouTube thumbnail size is 1280 by 720. 1280 and 720. This is the actual size. Click here. Now you can design your thumbnail the same way I have already shown you. If you want to use the templates, click on your canvas and then click the design. You will find different types of pre-made templates here. You can go with them. You can also search by your industry. Let's say tech. You will find tech related thumbnails available here. Or let's say motivation. And you will find motivation related thumbnails. So let's say I want to use this thumbnail. Click here and now again make some adjustment to use it as your thumbnail. So that's it. In this video, I've shown you how to make thumbnail in Canva. Now you can make any types of thumbnails using Canva easily. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, please throw a comment below.